Ready to build a college football empire and crush your friends' dreams like a walk-in trying to cover Marvin Harrison Jr.? Alright, future coaching legends, let's dive into creating an online dynasty in college football 25. First, navigate to the Game Modes menu, usually found on the main screen. Look for an option like Dynasty or Online Dynasty. Select it. You'll then be presented with the option to create a new dynasty or join an existing one. Since we're building our own empire, choose Create Dynasty now. The fun begins. Give your dynasty a name, something intimidating like the Nightmare Factory or just your group's inside joke. Next, set a password to keep out unwanted interlopers unless you want your little brother tanking your program. Decide whether the dynasty will be private, restricted to invitees, or public. Allowing anyone to join. Private is usually preferred when playing with close friends. Now customize your dynasty settings. This is where you fine-tune the experience. Choose your difficulty level. Are you a seasoned pro or a freshman just learning the ropes? Set the quarter length. Longer quarters mean more realistic stats. You can also adjust recruiting restrictions to make things more challenging or to balance the playing field. Consider things like scouting budgets and recruiting pipelines. Pick your team, choose wisely, because this is your family now. Are you going to rebuild a fallen giant like Nebraska or dominate with a perennial powerhouse like Georgia? This is where you select your role. Will you be the head coach making all the calls? Once everyone's joined and chosen their teams, advance to the Dynasty Hub. Here, you'll see the schedule, standings, news, and all the information you need to manage your program. Communication is key. Use the built-in messaging system or your group chat to chirp your rivals, discuss trades, and coordinate game times. Now get out there, recruit like a maniac, coach your heart out, and climb to the top of the rankings. Online Dynasty mode is all about competition, strategy, and building lasting rivalries. Now go out there and achieve gridiron glory. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more college football 25 tips.